heart of the capital, we are sitting at DLF Midtown, which is unbelievable. किसी बड़े शहर में, किसी कैपिटल सिटी के सेंटर में इस तरह की लोकेशन, इस तरह की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलना is unbelievable, unparalleled, cannot be matched. If you look at this location, it is very well connected to the road infrastructure. It is airport, connected to railway station, everything is there. You know, these are the benefits of being at the central location. Location के बारे में थोड़ा और बात करना चाहता हूँ. So if you look at here, this is DLF Midtown, surrounded by large green areas, very conveniently located, very well connected with road infrastructure, bang on Shivaji Marg, connectivity with Ring Road, very key road, just 2 kilometers drive and you are there at Ring Road, which is connecting you to Dhaula Kuan, which is connecting you to rest of West Delhi, Pitampura and all that area. Patel Road, just a kilometer drive. Patel Road is connecting you to CP, Bhotak Road on one side, which is connecting you to other parts of the West Delhi, to Karol Bagh. So in totality, all these key roads provide you unparalleled, unmatched connectivity in the heart of the capital. Along with it, there are 4 metro lines which are servicing this area, which are connecting you to almost every part of the city. DLF Midtown is not just a concept. DLF Midtown is something which is happening. DLF Midtown is something जहां already बहुत कुछ हो चुका है. ये जो इमेज आप देख रहे हैं, ये कैपिटल ग्रीन्स 1, 2, 3 की है, जो DLF Midtown का पार्ट है. These are real images. This is a project which has already been delivered. 2700 families यहाँ already रह रही हैं, बहुत happily रह रही हैं. In this project, occupancy is more than 90%. In this project, there is a lot of vibrancy. People are very, very happily staying. The kind of returns which this project has given. This was, in fact, one of the most successful launches which the country has seen. When this project got launched, almost everything got sold in a day. That was the kind of response which this project received. And all those people who invested in that project that time saw returns of 3 times, 4 times, and sometimes even more. Rentals in this project are actually quite good now, you know, because of the increased occupancy, because of the location, because of the kind of services which are being offered in this project. This is a very, very successful project. किसी को आप बताएंगे कि दिल्ली के बीचों बीच में इतना ब्यूटीफुल एक ग्रुप हाउसिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स है, people will not believe. If you show this image to people and say where this is, they would not believe. This is right now in the heart of the capital. Another striking feature जो इस इमेज को देख के आप लोगों को पता चल रहा होगा is the greenery. Abundance of greenery all around, acres and acres of greenery. किस capital city में ये मिलेगा? Very, very hard to find, almost impossible to find. And these are real images. Again, look at the treetops, unending greenery on all sides. We've talked about what DLF Midtown is. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what Midtown offers you is a unmatched social infrastructure all around. We are sitting in the heart of Delhi. So it is not a surprise that everything is so well connected to you. In terms of schools, the best schools of the city are very near to you. Schools like Springdale, school like Bal Bharti, everything which is there on the Pusa Road, all the nearby schools which are very famous in the city itself. You know, not just this location, पूरे Delhi NCR में famous हैं सारे के सारे schools. They are very, very close by. In terms of the shopping areas, known destinations of shopping like Karol Bagh, Chandni Chowk, Connaught Place, all are nearby. Pacific Mall is just 6 kilometers away. And when we are talking about shopping, there is one more project which DLF is coming up in DLF Midtown, a shopping complex. So this shopping complex will have cinemas. This shopping complex will have a lot of F&B spaces. This shopping complex will also have a lot of more convenient stores and retail areas. So that's a project which we are currently working on and will be added on to the DLF Midtown. In terms of the hospital, best hospitals of the city, rather I would say some of the best hospitals of the country are next to you. We talk about Sir Gangaram Hospital, BLK Max, all of them are very conveniently located. 5 kilometer, 6 kilometer, almost in 10 kilometers you can come across most of the big hospitals in the city. So in terms of social infrastructure, schools, hospitals, shopping areas, all of them are very close by. And this is the benefit of being in the heart of the capital. Everything is just a few kilometers away. Now, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. जैसा कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं, it's a magnificent image of the project. Few days back, newspapers में we launched this image for the first time. We showed this image of the project. इस project के बारे में I'll talk a little bit more. We have been involved in this project for quite some time now. Very meticulously we have been designing it. हम लोग इसकी design में, इसे construction में पिछले 2.5 years से लगे हुए थे. इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर जितना ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड जो मैंने आपको बताया, जितना एक्सपीरियंस डीएलएफ का मैंने जो आपको बताया, ऑल दैट हैज गॉन इनटू इट. ऑल द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ डेवलपिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हैज गॉन इनटू इट. वी हैव टेकन इट अ नॉच हायर विद One Midtown. We have put together for this project a team of best international architects and consultants. You know, this high profile, this very famous world renowned team includes DP Architects. DP Architects are one of the biggest architecture firms of the world. They are very known, sort of celebrated architect for their projects. DP Architects is one of the largest firms of Singapore. They have done the Dubai Mall. They have done projects like the Resort World Sentosa Island, Singapore. They have done more than 3,000 projects. And they're known for their style, they're known for the contemporary architecture, they're known for the modern elevations which they do. वो सारा का सारा आप इस इमेज में देख पा रहे हैं. Apart from DP Architects, there are more international celebrated consultants who have been associated with this project. That includes Smallwood, Reynolds, Stewart, SRSS. SRSS is a world famous hospitality interior design firm. Hospitality design firm जो hotels करती है, 5-star hotels करती है. We wanted to bring them here because we wanted those sort of facilities. We wanted that kind of style and luxury in the project. So SRSS is known for a lot of projects like Four Seasons hotels, like Langham, St. Regis, Hilton, multiple such high-end 5-star hotels they have done. Apart from that, for the landscape design, we have got M. Paul Friedberg, MPFP. MPFP is done New York Wheel and multiple projects in USA. They are a US-based firm, multiple decades of experience. Apart from that, there have been consultants who are known, who are world-renowned, like Thornton Tomasetti. They have been involved with the structural design of the project. There are world-renowned MEP consultants. There are sustainability consultants. So this high-profile team of consultants, the best in the world, have spent countless number of hours, I would say years, in putting together this project. इसकी डिजाइन को, इसका हर स्क्वायर इंच बहुत मेहनत से, बहुत एफर्ट के साथ डिजाइन हुआ है. And that you will see in the kind of detailing which is there in this project. Everything about this project is very special. चाहे वो safety features हों. When we talk about the safety features, this project is designed for Zone 5 compliance from earthquake standard point of view. दिल्ली के अंदर रिक्वायरमेंट होती है Zone 4 की, but ये बिल्डिंग, इसका स्ट्रक्चर डिजाइन है Zone 5 compliance, which is one zone higher than the required compliance. The reason being, DLF wants its projects to be safest of all real estate. What best can be done is being done in this project. In terms of other safety features, fire safety features, best in class safety features have been put in this project. इस project के 21st floor के ऊपर there is a full fire check floor. There are multiple refuge floors which have been provided. The building is sprinkled. Building has got best fire detection system which is available currently. Every tower has got a separate fire tower, a fire lift for all the emergencies which can happen. Every apartment has got a door which has a fire rating of 1 hour. Every fire staircase is enclosed in a 2-hour fire rating enclosure. All the doors of the fire staircases are 2-hour fire rated. So all these things, everything has been very carefully done to provide the kind of safety which is required for a project of this magnitude, of this scale. Apart from safety features, a lot of other features have been built in. If I talk about sustainability features, a lot of them. This project will be GRIHA 3-star already. We'll try for more. But a lot of safety features, a lot of sustainability features have been put in this project, starting from solar water heaters. So preheated water will be supplied in the kitchen geysers so that your energy consumption reduces, your electricity bill reduces. There are photovoltaic panels which are provided in the project to provide electricity for common areas. There are high efficiency LED lights in the common areas to reduce the CAM expenses. There are double glazed windows. The glazing is double glazed because it provides better thermal insulation. Better thermal insulation से फायदा ये होगा बाहर की heat अंदर नहीं आएगी because between the two layers of glass there is vacuum. And अंदर when you do air conditioning, आपका air conditioning load बहुत कम हो जाएगा. That will help you in reducing your electricity bills further. Double glazed windows also provide you superior sound insulation. तो बाहर का कोई शोर है, कुछ भी आवाज है, कहीं कुछ नहीं आएगा because this provides a better sound insulation. In terms of other sustainability features, within the project, 20% of the car parks are provided with EV enablement, electric vehicle enablement. So the infrastructure which is required, the power arrangement which is required for charging the cars, because going forward as India moves towards adopting more and more electric vehicles, people will require these things. And we did not want कि हमारा प्रोजेक्ट आज के हिसाब से बना हो, हमारा प्रोजेक्ट फ्यूचर को ध्यान में रख के बना हुआ है. So 20% of the car parking areas have got that facility where you can install your chargers and charge your electric vehicles. So a lot of sustainability features have been put. This is another rendering of the project, another facade image of the project, evening shot. And as you can see, this is a statement in itself. You look at the beauty of the project. This is G plus 39 floors, almost 40 floors this project is. There is no other project, such kind of project which is there in Delhi. This project is a statement in itself. There are beautiful architectural features which are placed on top of the projects like a crown. So this skyline is something which will define the area. This will be part of Delhi's skyline. This will be an imposing feature which will be visible from miles apart. You can see it from kilometers and you can see the identity of the project from far and then say that that is One Midtown. So this is a project which will define the identity of the location itself. On top of that, all these terraces are connected. What you see on top, you've got beautiful usable terraces which are accessible using lifts, and there is a landscape area on top. So all these towers have got very beautiful observation decks from where you can enjoy the view of the city, from where you can enjoy the greenery from the 40th floor of the towers. We talked about connectivity, we talked about कि हम लोग बिल्कुल शहर के बीचों बीच में बैठे हुए हैं. And there are certain things when you are sitting in a city which become luxuries. Things like greenery, things like open spaces, they become a luxury when you are in a city. But here in Midtown, all those things are not luxuries. All those things are available at your doorstep. This project is surrounded by acres and acres of greenery. You can see treetops. The moment you step into your balcony, you can see greenery all around. This is the view of the balcony. This is a rendering of an apartment balcony and what you can see from it. These balconies are designed like decks. These are 6 feet wide running balconies. So these balconies are not like those small balconies जो use नहीं हो पाते थे. These balconies are very usable. You can put a lot of furniture here. You can probably do a party here. You can put a barbecue grill here. And these are balconies which are an extension to your living space. This again is coming from a lot of feedback जो हम लोगों को मिलता था. During COVID times, people were stuck in their houses. During COVID times, people were locked in their rooms. They wanted some space. So this is the area which is an extension. This is an area which provides you that breathing space to come out. This is an area which is an extension to your home. You can enjoy this area. In this balcony, we have also put laminated glass railing. Because the views are so stunning on all sides, this glass railing gives you the transparency, gives you the amazing views. Apart from these outdoor decks, there are more open spaces which we are including in the project exclusively for the use of One Midtown residents. This is the podium of the project. ये podium, इसका landscape again MPFP ने design किया है and very carefully, very meticulously designed, because all these consultants, these world-renowned consultants, they have years and years of experience. They have done multiple projects in the world. They know the international best practices. So all that experience comes in to the design of this project. So every tree has been chosen, every plant species has been chosen basis the climatic conditions, basis what type of season it is. So all these trees will flower in a particular season. They will give you a hue in a particular season. All these areas have designed in such a way so that they can give you that kind of magic. Another important feature of the project is the multi-level clubhouse. So this was one thing which we kept on hearing कि दिल्ली के अंदर अच्छे clubs नहीं हैं projects के अंदर. दिल्ली के अंदर अच्छे clubs अगर आपको चाहिए तो आपको बहुत drive करके जाना होगा. And जिन clubs में आपको जाना होगा, those are not state of the art clubs. पुराने clubs हैं, amenities नहीं हैं उनके अंदर. But here we are bringing a clubhouse which is defining a luxury here, which is giving you that all those amenities right at your doorstep. ये multi-level clubhouse जो है, this includes a full-fledged restaurant, this includes a cafe, this includes a bar, this includes a card room, a spa, a salon. So all those things come together in this club. Look at the rendering of the club lobby. This is the entrance to the club. Again, this project, this club interiors have been done by Smallwood, Reynolds, Stewart, SRSS. They are famous, they are known for the hotels they have designed, and they have brought in that hotel design experience in the interiors of the club. And that is what we wanted to offer. हम चाहते थे हमारे clubs 5-star hotel की तरह से हों. हम चाहते थे हमारे clubs की amenities 5-star hotels की तरह हों. So all that has been put in the club for this project. This is the rendering for the restaurant, and very, very thoughtfully designed. Full-fledged restaurant, fine dining restaurant. This is the rendering for the bar. So for enjoying these amenities, customers को बाहर जाना पड़ता था. People had to go to hotels. But here, all these things are available in the comfort, in the safety, in the convenience of your housing complex, in your condominium. You don't have to step out for having a party. You don't have to step out for entertaining your guests. आप अपने guests, business associates, friends, family, सबको यहाँ पे entertain कर सकते हैं very proudly, because all these amenities are included within your complex. This is again very, very thoughtfully done interiors of the cafe. Semi-casual dining experience for having coffee, tea, for small bite. Cafe के side में there is an al fresco area जो pool के साथ touch करता है, so you can have the indoor-outdoor experience. There is an al fresco area dining with the restaurant also. Apart from this multi-level club, we are bringing a lot many more amenities in the project, because that is what we want to bring, a lifestyle which Delhi has been missing. There is a full-fledged gymnasium, more than 3,500 square feet in carpet area, with best of the machinery which is available. There is a multi-purpose room, there is a convenience store, there is an indoor game room, there is a kids club. All these conveniences have been placed below the towers. This is the gymnasium, rendering of the gymnasium, interiors done by SRSS. The beauty of the gymnasium is one side is totally glazed, overlooks the landscape podium and the pool. So while you are exercising, while you are running on the treadmill, you can enjoy the beautiful view of the landscape podium. This is the multi-purpose room. Again, very thoughtfully done. This multi-purpose room can be used as a multi-purpose room because इसकी डिजाइन में बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देके बनाया गया है. इसके अंदर स्लाइडिंग फोल्डिंग पार्टीशंस लगाए गए हैं so that अगर आपको छोटी स्पेस चाहिए you can divide this room into smaller space. If you need a larger room, आप combined use कर सकते हैं. इसका furniture is carefully chosen ताकि आप stack करके इसको पूरा room खाली कर सकते हैं. This can be used as a dance studio, as a yoga studio. Again, एक side completely glazed, overlooking the landscape podium and the pool. There is a small pantry which has been provided. अगर आपको कुछ F&B arrangement करना है तो वहाँ से pantry से you can service. So all your small events, maybe small meetings, all that can be done here in this multi-purpose room. In true sense, a multi-purpose room, things which you do not want to do in your house, you need more space, you don't need to step out. There is a multi-purpose room right below your tower. Indoor games room, billiards, carom, video games, foosball, all those things have been placed here so that your kids can enjoy all these indoor games. Again, the beauty is that there is a gorgeous view right outside all these amenities of the landscape podium, of the pool, which you can enjoy while playing in the indoor games room. This is the kids club. This has been designed by SRSS, keeping in mind the requirements of toddlers. Safety is the prime concern. Every piece of furniture has been very carefully selected. All areas have been designed. There's a small nap room which has been provided in it. There's a small pantry which has been provided in it. जो requirement एक छोटे crash या kids club के लिए होती हैं, वो सारी इसके अंदर provided है, so that your little ones can enjoy. Now I'm coming to another unique and amazing feature of this project, which is the swimming pool. इस टाइप का swimming pool दिल्ली में किसी और प्रोजेक्ट में प्रोवाइड नहीं किया गया है. This pool along with the water bodies is more than 10,000. इस pool को MPFP ने डिजाइन किया है, एक रिजॉर्ट पूल की तरह से डिजाइन किया है, मल्टीपल जोन्स क्रिएट करके डिजाइन किया गया है, so that there are various activities which can be done so that people can enjoy more. In this pool there is a lap pool for the serious swimmers. Lap pool की length around 46 meters है. Along the lap pool is a beautiful infinity edge which is overlooking acres of greenery. Along with it comes poolside cabanas, poolside juice bar, a lounge pool, a kids pool. So all these zones are there in the pool. I'll show you a render of the pool so that you can appreciate it more, you can enjoy it more. On one edge you see that beautiful infinity edge which is overlooking the treetops in the DDA park nearby. Next to it is a trellised pool for the semi-private swimming experience. You have a kids pool, you have poolside cabanas, you have got a pool deck, you've got loungers. So this is an area where you can relax, enjoy. So this 10,000 square feet, more than 10,000 square feet area is, what MPFP has designed. Another important feature which a lot of our customers have been telling, a lot of our channel partners have been telling is security. That a housing complex needs to be very secure. A house is where your loved ones are, a house is where your valuables are. House is a big investment for everybody and you would want your house to be very secure. So we have done a 5-tier security system to make this condominium, to make your house absolutely secure. Out of this 5-tier, the first tier is the peripheral security. This is a gated complex. In the entire complex, nobody can enter till it is authorized. So there is a boundary wall all around, and then on the boundary there is CCTV surveillance which has been provided along the boundary. At the entry exit there are automated boom barriers. At the entry exit there is a visitor management system. Professional security teams are deployed, and then there are boom barriers. So at every entry and exit, no authorized entry can happen into the complex. Second tier is the common areas of the project. All the common areas, all the key areas of the project are under CCTV surveillance. There's a quick response team. There's a professional security team which will do regular patrolling so that all the common areas of the project are secure. The third layer of security, the third tier comes when you come to your tower entrance lobby. So your tower entrance lobby can also not have any unauthorized access because access control is provided for every tower entrance lobby. There is a professional security person who will be manning the desk 24/7 in your tower lobby, keeping a check who's entering. There is CCTV surveillance provided there. Another unique feature of this project is that all these tower entrance lobbies have a shuttle elevator. So from parking, you cannot directly enter into the tower entrance lobby. You have to take the shuttle elevators which have been specifically provided from the parking levels. Third tier of security is this. Fourth tier of security is when you're coming to your floor level. So the elevators which take you to your floor level, they have been provided with CCTV cameras so that surveillance can be kept on who's coming to your floor. Any unauthorized person who's coming to your floor can be seen there. The fifth level of security is provided at your apartment level, which is the video door phone, so that you can authorize the person whom you want to authorize to enter. So all these 5-tier security together makes your home very, very safe. Another important feedback which we had been receiving, another challenge which people told us in Delhi is the availability of ample car parking space. So here in this project, we have provided covered car parking space over 5 levels. There are 3 basements in the project, 2 podiums. So across this 5 level, we have provided ample covered car parking space. Is through RFIDs, so that only the cars which are authorized to enter in the covered car parking zone enter. So your car parking is dedicated, is covered, it's safe. And again, 20% of these car parks will have EV enablement. So we talked about a few key things of the project, that the location is very central. It is part of DLF Midtown, which is one of the best neighborhoods in Delhi. We talked about the outdoor spaces which have been provided as an extension to your house, the landscape podium. We talked about the amazing pool, the stunning views which are available. We talked about the multiple level clubhouse, the amenities which are provided in the clubhouse. We talked about safety and security. Now we talk about the arrival experience which has been provided in this project. In a house, when we are coming to a house, we would want to be wow. We would want to feel good about entering a house. We would want to feel good. We would want our friends, family, relatives to feel, okay, wow, what an experience. So we have curated that experience, we have designed that experience, and this is the drop-off for each tower. This landscape drop-off area, landscape has been done by NBFP, very thoughtfully, very carefully designed. From this drop-off, you move into the main arrival lobby of your tower. These are covered drop-offs with glass on top. This is the main entrance lobby of each tower. So these are double height air-conditioned lobbies. The interiors are done by SRSS, and they have brought in their hotel design experience very beautifully into the design of these lobbies. These lobbies are like a very good 5-star hotel, as you can see from this rendering. Very plush interiors, seating spaces have been provided. If somebody is coming to meet you and you want them to wait in the lobby, this lobby is like a hotel waiting lounge. And as you move from this gorgeous lobby into the lift lobby, you realize that the lift lobbies are also very, very beautifully done, like a 5-star hotel. Look at the kind of finishes. From this lift lobby, the elevators, high-speed elevators, 4 meter per second speed, will take you to your floor. Now we have seen all these features. There's a very beautiful image I wanted to show you all, which sort of sums up, which gives you a overview of the area. This is the view of the landscape podium, where all the things which we talked about can be seen in one image. The landscape podium with its flowering trees, with its meditation gardens, with its shade gardens is all visible on the right hand side. Just next to it, is the beautiful resort styled pool with various zones, lap pool, infinity edge, overlooking the greenery, trellised pool. There's a pool tree garden, there's a lounge pool, kids pool, pool deck, all that area for your relaxation, for your recreation. The central area is the pool area. Next to it is the multi-level clubhouse on your left. Between the pool and the multi-level clubhouse is the al fresco dining area, which we talked about. The terrace of the pool is the terrace of the club is also landscape, so that you can enjoy the views. All the amenities, like the gymnasium, like the convenience store, like the kids club, like the indoor games room and the multi-purpose room, they have been placed below the towers. All the glazing which you see below is that area. So all those amenities at the edge, pool in the center, club on one side, landscape on the other, and there's a very beautiful foot-over bridge which you are not seeing in this image properly, is also provided, so that from the podium itself you can come on the other side of the road. So this all provides you that hub, a beautiful zone which has been designed to give you the kind of lifestyle as an extension to your living, to give you more space beyond your house. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an urban lifestyle like no other. Now my colleagues will take you to show the